Motorcycle Mama, another young lady who is a part of Momma Mafia. Nice young lady. All pre-recorded videos a lie. Are a pre-recorded videos a lie? Probably. I haven't watched that video yet of yours, and I'm gonna have to. Well, I'm gonna have to, but I will probably have to say that pre-recorded videos might be a lie, but I could be wrong. I don't know. If y'all want, you should go hit up Motorcycle Mama. She's a nice young lady, rides a nice Harley. Blah 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 blah. No, just kidding. Harley. Follow her on Instagram as well. Go subscribe. Motorcycle Mama. You can't beat it. Route 66. Hell yeah. She knows how to ride. Let's get it.